Welcome back, cruisers. It's Taylor with the Vacationeer, and today we're going to be exploring one of my favorite suites on board Royal Caribbean Star of the Seas, a Sunset Corner Suite. Now, before booking, be sure to contact your favorite Vacationeer advisor or click the booking link below for exclusive rates, onboard credit, group cruises, and more. Reach out today to see what you're missing and secure the best value in cruising. Booking one of these Sunset Corner Suites on board bumps you up to Royal Caribbean's prestigious Sky Class. This upgrade unlocks a whole new level of VIP access on board. You'll get guaranteed all-day dining at the suite-only restaurant Coastal Kitchen for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. You'll also gain full access to the private suite lounge, featuring complimentary beer, wine, sodas, and happy hour cocktails, alongside the exclusive suite sun deck, The Grove, which is a gorgeous quiet oasis up top equipped with a pool, hot tub, bar area, and light bites served throughout the day. On top of that, everyone registered in your suite gets complimentary Voom Surf and Stream high-speed internet, one device per person, which is a massive savings for families. You'll also enjoy complimentary 24-hour room service, priority departure, and prime reserve seating in the theater for those Broadway-style shows. Best of all, you'll have a dedicated concierge team on hand to personally take care of all of your show reservations, specialty dining, and port excursions, giving you a completely seamless, stress-free vacation from start to finish. Now, without further ado, let's dive right in and tour the room. As you first step inside the suite, you'll find an entryway that features a floor-to-ceiling mirror, some small shelves, and a refreshment station that houses your Lavazza coffee maker, which comes fully stocked with a selection of espresso and tea. The mini fridge is tucked directly below, and the upper cabinet houses your digital room safe. This is also where you'll find the first storage for the suite, featuring hanging storage, additional open shelving, and 3 drawers set underneath more hanging storage up above. As you'll see throughout this tour, this category offers a massive amount of storage. Mounted on the wall, you'll spot your main temperature control. This digital touchscreen gauge functions as both your thermostat and the central lighting control for the entire suite. Stepping into the bathroom, it's a great size for a suite on board Royal Caribbean. You're greeted by a large vanity with a backlit mirror and built-in shelving on both sides for your daily essentials. The side of the vanity features 2 standard US outlets with drawers down below for smaller toiletries and wide open storage cubbies underneath for extra space. Directly across from the vanity is your shower tub combo. It comes equipped with an adjustable shower wand and built-in retractable clothesline. This tub is a great addition for families who need a dedicated bath space for kids in the evening. Plus, the space is stocked with premium upgraded Malin & Getz bath amenities. Stepping back into the suite, you'll find a large desk that doubles as a vanity. It features a large backlit mirror, and the desktop opens to reveal your hairdryer. For charging devices, this area is equipped with a combo plug, a European outlet, and both USB and USB-C ports. Below the desktop are 2 large drawers and 2 shelving units and some hooks up above for cruise lanyards or hats to grab before you head out the door. Heading into the bedroom space, you're greeted with an upgraded Royal King mattress and premium linens. It's positioned looking directly out the floor-to-ceiling windows, which is a configuration I really wish we would see on more cruise lines. And if you're traveling with friends or family, this bed can easily be split into 2 twins or 1 large bed. On both sides are small nightstands with drawers. On one side, there's a standard US outlet alongside USB and USB-C ports. And on the opposite side, you'll find a Euro plug, USB and USB-C plugs, but no US plug on this side. There's also ample storage below the beds to store larger items or bags away. Set above the bed is an interactive flat panel smart TV that features an assortment of live TV channels, on-demand movies, and information about the ship and entertainment on board. The TV is mounted on a swing arm that allows it to be pulled out, facing the bed or couch, or pushed out of the way so you can take in those amazing aft views out the floor-to-ceiling windows. Moving into the living area for families traveling with more than 2 guests, the opposite side from the bed features a cozy sofa that converts into additional bedding. If you have 3 passengers, the 3rd guest sleeps on the top of the sofa, and the 4th utilizes the pull-out bed tucked underneath. And next to the couch is a great selection of outlets, including a combo Euro plug, as well as USB and USB-C ports that come in handy for dad nap kings or anyone utilizing this as a sleeping area. A comfy reading chair with a small coffee table rounds out the living space, and next to the couch is a 2-sided closet with more hanging storage, including pull-down rods to add more space if you need it. This is also where you're going to find those comfy, sweet bathrobes and slippers. Lastly, let's talk about what makes these sunset corner suites some of my favorite on the whole entire ship: the large aft-facing balcony. These balconies are deep enough to comfortably house a full-sized outdoor dining table set for 4, alongside 2 oversized lounge chairs with ottomans and a comfy daybed. But a Vacationeer tip here is that there are 2 very different view options for these suites, even though they are both in the aft. Some are open to the Surfside family neighborhood and feature a table for 2 and 3 sun loungers, and others are more side-facing, which are a bit more private, but both feature those amazing aft views, making this the ultimate spot to enjoy your morning Lavazza espresso, share an outdoor family breakfast, or simply kick back with your feet up to soak in those gorgeous side-facing or aft-facing ocean views, no matter where you happen to be sailing around the world. And as we all know, the suite is just one part of the onboard experience. With a variety of included entertainment, specialty restaurants, and upgrades, there's something for everyone. And to help you get more from your cruise, the Vacationeer offers exclusive onboard credit deals that you won't find when booking directly with the cruise line. Contact the Vacationeer today to get the best value in cruising. And if you enjoyed this suite tour, please give it a like, hit subscribe, and check out the other videos on our channel for all of your cruise content. Until next time, this is Taylor with the Vacationeer, and I hope to see you all out on the high seas on board Royal Caribbean someday soon, perhaps having a perfect day at Coco Cay.